Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can change the cover photo of your Facebook group. So let's start the video. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups and then click on your groups on top menu. After that, scroll down and you can see groups you manage. Here I have only two groups, so you can select the group to which you want to change the cover photo. As I want to change the cover photo of first group, so click on it and then you can see here our cover photo of this group. You can click on edit and then click on first option, upload photo, and here you can select any photo you want to add. As I want to add this photo, so click on it and then click on save. So it takes some time. So guys, you can see our cover photo of this group has been changed. So guys, in this way you can change the cover photo of your Facebook group. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.